I could go up. I don't want to get my pants wet.
Come up. No. I want you to lower it. Don't. Can you lower it for me, Daddy?
Lower it.
Yeah, like.
What, in your hand?
Yeah, I don't have to hold it with your hand. Where are you going?
I gotta get some cool shots, man.
I want to go down there. All the way down there. Could we go down there?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Yeah, I'm going to do that.
It's really cool once you video all that.
What?
Once you video that, get real close.
I'm showing them the water.
Mm-hmm.
How deep is that? I think it's deep. I wanted to go all the way down there.
Well, we can ride down there. Every time we go down there, you want to come back up here.
I know. Can I walk down?
It's a little deeper today, but you might not want to go through there. You want to stay on this side if you go.
Yeah. I'll try to
Go
go.
that way.
I'm going to try to go across.
Go to the right. Yeah.
This looks shallow enough. I think this is shallow enough.
Yeah, I think it's good. You can stay over here. You're barely in here.
I'm the other way. Wait, Dad, remember when we were down there? I want to go back down all the way down there. This is like a little tide pool. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
We went through here, right?
Yep.
Right through this. I think we can make it through this. Yeah, it's not that deep. So it's higher. Are you trying to not get where she or?
I don't want to get my pants soaking wet.
This is nasty.
And you step right in it.
Water.
Showing the mud holes.
Uh-huh. I'm saying then. I was.
Well, that looks cool down through there, don't it?
Yeah. I'm showing them that. Where I go. Right here. Oh God. Hey.
Is this going to be the River Adventures?
Yeah.
Is that going to be your YouTube name?
Uh-huh.
The River Adventures.
Yeah. Adventures. Adventure Wakers.
Bless your Go ahead, boy. That'd be a good first video. Bust your butt.
That was nasty, nasty water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's disgusting. It smells like poop.